everyone, welcome to Eat, Shoot, Ride. I hope you all are really doing well. Can you all mention in the comment box saying how are you people feeling today? And yes, I'm so sorry that I delayed with the part 2 video of our Conley tour because it was raining here since past 1 week, because of which I was unable to shoot the video. And yes, if you haven't watched the previous video, the part 1 video of our Conley tour, I've added the link in the description. Please do watch the previous video. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications on all the videos that we are posting. So these houses are 2 BHKs. I understand that you cannot see the house completely. 1 second, let me go a little forward. Yes. So these are also 2 BHKs, but little bigger than the other one. I will show my house as well. So this is my house. Can't show you all house tour and all, but just showing my house from outside. So this is my family friend's house. Her name is Pandu. They don't stay here. Now let's go towards that temple. So this is Ram Mandir. So this is the back side of temple. Again, this is also covered with greenery. This is wash area. So can you all see the peacock? Okay, let me be quiet. If I talk, it will go away. It will go away.
able to hear some bike sounds and bikes or auto sound. So this is the mandapam. On the occasion of Sri Ramanavami, Lord Rama's and Sita's marriage do happen here. So this is the Ratham, which will be again used on Sri Ramanavami. So this will be connected to a tractor. So there are 100 plus houses here. Yeah, of course there are different models, but 100 plus they are. And yes, only the employees who are working in this organization can stay in this houses or in this colony.
Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have liked our video, please hit the like button and also share your views in the comment box.